we'll guide you through how to transfer your Wix website to another account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account where your current website is located. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard of the site you want to transfer. On the left-hand side, you will see the Settings tab. Click on it. Then, look for the Transfer Site option, which is usually located towards the bottom of the page under the General section. Click on Transfer Site, and you will be prompted to enter the email address of the recipient's Wix account. It's important to make sure the email address you enter is correctly linked to a valid Wix account. Once you enter the email, click on Next. You may be asked to confirm who will manage the domain and premium plans, especially if your site is connected to a domain or has an active premium plan. You can choose to transfer these along with the site or retain them. After reviewing these transfer details, click on Transfer Site. The recipient will receive an email invitation to accept the transfer. Until they accept it, the transfer is in a pending state. The recipient needs to click the link in the email and follow any instructions to complete the transfer on their end. Once they accept, the site will be transferred to their account, and they will have full control over it. If you have any premium plans associated with the site, make sure they are aware of the plan details. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a site transfer on Wix. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.